Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload HD videos to TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and record a video. So once you record a video, you simply need to click on the tick mark in the top in the right and click on next. And in more options you will find an option of HD video. Currently it is not showing in my country, but you need to update your TikTok and click on HD video, and then you need to post. So this is our process by which you can upload HD videos to TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.